Mayong buntag mga higala. In this video, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of functions and how it is applied in real-life situations. So, get your pen and paper, lend your ears because we are about to make math alive. You are possibly asking, what is function? There are many descriptions to this single word, but in mathematics, function is the relationship or expression between one or more variables in which the element of x, the domain, corresponds to exactly one element of y, which is the range. Now, how is function relevant in our lives? It's simple. Here are some examples that will help you understand our topic in this video. Imagine you're at the market in your town and you have a certain budget to buy fruits and vegetables. For example, you were tasked to buy 1 kilogram of potatoes. Now, let's think of this scenario as a function. Our input could be the amount of money we have, and the output would be the quantity and variety of fruits and vegetables we can purchase. In mathematical terms, we can express this relationship as a function. Let's call the function f for the rate of the potatoes per kilogram, where f is the function of our budget b. So f of b is equals to b, which is the budget, divided by the rate of the kilogram of the potato. This function will then result to the number of kilos of potatoes we can buy with our budget, which is the b. Let's consider another scenario where you are driving a car. Your speed is a function of the pressure you apply to the gas pedal. This relationship can also be represented as a function, where the input is the pressure of the gas pedal and the output is the speed of the car. We can express this relationship as a function. Say S for speed, where S is the function of the pressure of the gas pedal, P. So S of P is equals to the speed of the car with pressure P on the gas pedal. As we can see, this function will demonstrate that as the pressure of the gas pedal increases, the speed of the car also increases. However, it is important to note that this relationship might not always be linear. The various other factors like terrain and the engine power could also influence the overall function. Let us have another scenario again. Consider that your mom gives you your school allowance depending on the number of hours you are at the school. Your mother gives you 30 pesos on the first 5 hours of classes and gives you an additional of 10 pesos in every extension of 1 class hour. In this function, A will represent the amount of school allowance you will receive daily. As the function of H, school hours you will attend daily. Another common example of real-life function is simply cooking rice for a meal. When cooking rice, the amount of rice and water, as we all know, corresponds to each other. This relation can be represented as a function where the input is the number of cups of rice and the output is the amount of water we need to cook the certain amount of rice. Last but not the least, determining the height by age can also be a function. But, do you know that these factors such as age and height can affect the physical abilities of an individual can perform? Yes, it can. The factors that can affect an individual's performance and capabilities are called physical barriers. These factors can be barriers especially in performing complex activities that can require extensive amounts of efforts and energy. But an individual can overcome such barriers like age as long as their body is ready and are still capable of performing certain activities. With exercise and healthy lifestyle, we can take good care and maintain the abilities of our body to be able to overcome any physical barriers. Going back to our problem, H, the height, is the function of A, which is the age. Functions aren't just abstract mathematical concepts. They are all around us more than we expect, governing various aspects of our daily lives, even the most simple and unexpected things. The next time you encounter a real-life situation, try to think about it in terms of a function. Understanding these connections can truly help us grasp the essence of mathematics in real life. Daghang salamat!